sunshine, a bottle of wine. Talk about our daydreams. Hey, it seems we're kind of alive.
I will never get over. Sobrang ganda talaga ng view kapag sunny day. Oh my god, look at that! Wow. Merry Christmas!
Ay! Putang ina! Wait lang ulit.
Ba't nagmura ka? Merry Christmas!
Ay! No, thank you. Ay!
Naka-chocolate tayo.
Naka-choco. Ready na for hot choco.
Wow! Canton night. Model lang pa si Canton.
Kaya nga. Kaya ako na...
Vlog.
Sa umaga yung... Pwede. Tapos yung may entry point siya.
Spring April. Okay. Late April.
Mga later 3 weeks.
Sa Pilipinas, King March and
Meron!
Pwede pa yun.
Yung flavor.
Bongga!
Hindi. Like, not directly siguro.
Getting the shots!
Sino?
Si, ano mo? Yung
Bebe
booking
ko?
mo. Oo, yung bebe mo.
Bakit? May car ba siya?
Thank you, B!
Wow, I'm not sure where it went.
Oh, it's windy. Wow.
Oh, so good. And that's the coast, basically.
We should be able to do something because it's what
For free.
I have never paid for school. Back home, also they like best in high school.
Why did you choose Taiwan? How did you get to...
But the sugar takes long to... Pretty hard to make, you know. I mean, it's not even that popular in my country because only the mountain folk drinks this, you know. The people in the mountains, in the cold, they brew this in the mountains. And also in the Christmas market you can get this.
With the oil?
Just a little bit.
Okay.
Not too much oil because it will be too early.
Ooh.
Nice. Shall we divide it?
Maybe you can leave it. Then I'll.
I don't think it's Asian. Yeah, it's Asian. Vegetables is always a special.
Asian steak.
You don't. What kind of transportation did you use it? Like planes?
Base, yeah.
ng snow. So beautiful.
2 hours later.
Oh, it's so cold. Lamig siya. Oh. Pink ang sled namin. Pink na pink. Ganda. Wow! Ang taas! Ganito? Parang di ako kasi. Parang di ako
Game!
Making our Christmas memories. These are the good times with you. Baby, this year it's just gonna be you and me. Hang by the fire and chill.
Go.
Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, and I've been known to hold you close. Forget about everyone else. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, oh.
Ano mo na ba?
La, 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 oh, oh. La, 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 oh, oh. La, 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 la.
Go.
Making our Christmas memories. I've been wrapping presents for you. I've been hanging balls in the tree.
Som vi ska göra tillsammans idag. Bra bilder och allt. Det såg så kul ut. Jag önskar att jag hade fått det på bild. Jag fångar!
Vi har en fotboll.
I dimman irrar runt i sena timman. Du tar en liten sväng i ljuset.
Moving out again. And yeah, this is one last look of my room. So, my room.
Tapos sabi niya, I will give you plane at ticket.
Let's go!
Maganda dito.
Dito na kami sa building. Room review!
Lipat, no?
Parang Bugs! Lipat bahay, gang. Uy, dulo ako, babe.
Here we are. Wait.
Okay, go na. Sharon! Oh, fuck. Hala, ang ganda ng view. Wow. Nice.
Ganda. Alam, mas maliit siya kaysa sa Del.
Ba yung TJ, may mga talsik-talsik.
Okay, time to organize this mess. My room is a huge mess right now. But we have the bed and the curtain. Let's go.
You give me butterflies when you smile, and it feels so good. I just can't hide. I wanna hold your hand, but it get too shy. It's just me and you. What should I do? I used to be so quiet, like a flower on your wall, and everything around you made me feel like I was small. But then you said